So we got the side marker lights. I just put these ones in. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I don't got my keys on me right now, but I just put the front and back ones in. But these the rear bumper ones, they just came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in for y'all. So before I even I can't screw them in because it's an aftermarket diffuser. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down and clean it up because I gotta glue them in. So my boy can record for me.
Yeah, you gotta be cam in this bitch. You already know what the fuck going on and shit. Like for real and shit.
So go ahead and clean it up.
Shit. And he got the 5-inch exhaust tips. He ain't even mentioned that. He put them bitches on like a few days ago. Yeah.
Let's try to clean all this up.
This nigga.
Alright, while I let that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and I got the little Hellcat door stickers. Not the stickers, the little
Door lights.
Yeah, the door light. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in while that's dry. Just rip it open.
Shit. Rip it open like a pussy.
I'm aggressive. But I need a flathead.
Oh shit. Look at the green goblin and shit, like for real. Oh, that's bitch the green guy. We ain't gonna show that. This bitch crazy as hell. All modifications that he not recording. 5-inch shit. That could have been a video right there alone, y'all. Y'all gotta tell this nigga Brick on this shit.
Man, I'll be on BS.
He a hard working man and shit, like for real.
Alright. Got the old one up. Pop that little clip out and come right up. Got the little Hellcat one. Gotta see how this boy looking. Whew. That's the wrong one. Alright, there you go. I can see it. Y'all can see y'all see it on my hand?
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Shit.
I can't wait to show y'all at nighttime. I'm gonna do a little night. Yeah. Pop the new one in.
Shit.
Right. One side down, one more side to go. Do not do that in my neighborhood.
Like for real and shit, like weak ass shit.
There's always somebody in a Jetta.
I got a Jetta.
Oh shit. No disrespect to the Jetta.
Man, he trying to be my son and shit, like for real.
On Pops.
I'm the first nigga who had the cat coming out the, you feel me? First swap with the cat coming out the door and shit, like for real. That shit hard and shit, like for real.
Gotta make sure you're drinking your
cranberry
juice.
Good nigga, piss probably yellow as hell. Did you drink any water today, sir?
Yes.
How much?
About like 2 gallons.
2 gallons? Oh
gallons.
shit, you gonna drown yourself. He gonna faint.
You gotta make sure you stay overly hydrated.
Like for real and shit. Like, nigga piss yellow.
We got the super glue. Like I told you, all the clips on these, it don't reach because I got a diffuser. So I'm gonna have to super glue it on there.
Shit.
I'm gonna go ahead and glue that on there for you. That shit's coming up.
Ooh.
Alright. Stick it.
Should that was the right one?
That's the right one.
Why don't press in there? What the fuck?
Why is it not? Oh, it's the right one. It's the wrong one.
It's the wrong one. Woo! Shit. Oh shit.
Wait, is it the right one?
Nah, this the right one for sure. Like the other one was upside down, so that's the right one.
What?
No. Go back. Like, yeah, like that. It's supposed to be like that.
Bro, it don't feel like this.
What's it do? What the fuck?
That was the right one.
No, it isn't. What the fuck?
That was the right one.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Bro, what?
Oh shit.
Hold on. I'm gonna just have to glue it like this.
Type shit, yeah.
All that glue on there, make sure it's getting down in there and shit, bro. Pop that back off of there, son.
Shit. Whew. You better not go too fast, nigga.
How you like that?
Shit.
See, like that, son. Shit, I'm gonna teach you how to do modifications to your cart.
Oh shit. I pay a nigga to do my shit. I'm not a DIY nigga. Do it yourself.
Ain't nothing wrong with a DIY. Make sure you get it all in there. Dribble down in there and shit.
So that nigga put some lotion up.
I just got out the shower. Alright, we gonna let that harden up.
You feel me?
Wow, that's hardening. We gonna go to the other side. Pull that out. Oh, and I cracked my diffuser right there, so we gonna go ahead and glue that on the other side too. And shit. Hold on. You gotta pull it from the side first. Slowly pop that bitch out. There you go. Alright. Touch this up real quick. Make sure it don't come off. Alright.
Shit.
Now the other one.
Oh shit. That bitch is right next to my foot.
Put a little bit down here too. Is this shit just smoking?
Shit.
This shit dry fast as hell. Freak is recording this shit for real.
You know, 717 brick, nigga, like for real.
Oh shit. Alright. While that's drying, we gonna go pop the other side back in.
Yeah.
It's not moving and shit. So we good to pop it back. Oh! It did move. Are we good, Tom? We good.
Shit. You see that bitch up? Feel that bitch in. Sweet as hell, you feel me? How you feeling this shit? Like,
Feeling great.
feeling
and shit.
great and shit. Like, it's the little things that matter and shit, like for real. Shit.
Just gave my whole car a BBL.
You feel me? Damn. Got
What
the,
y'all think about that modification?
you feel me? Got the Green Goblin looking right as hell and shit.
All right, now let me show you what the stock one would look like. This what your car look like when you don't got no motion.
Shit. No motion car and shit, like for real.
Look at this shit.
Oh shit.
Bow down.
Bottom.
Bow down.
Shit. You feel me? Like, got bow down and shit.
Bow down. don't got my keys on me, but let me see if I can get the other little ones that I just put on the cut on. Are they on?
Shit. Oh my God. That shit fire.
And then I got the front ones too. You might as well just walk around the whole car.
Around the whole car, fuck you. Shit.
And then a big part of your modifications, you leave all the stuff out for your sons to clean up.
Shit.
I did the modifications.
OTFR nigga's house, man. If y'all want his address, slide up for his lug and shit. Just let me know, man. Burger. Anyway, what we got here, man?
Wicker bill.
I'm sorry y'all burped y'all. So we finna put a Wicker barrel on, maybe. See, you came 5-inch tips. Look at these big bitches.
You see the diffusers up, the reflectors I put down there?
Oh, yeah.
No, right down there, by the exhaust tips too.
Oh, I see them now. These, look. Ooh, remember it was empty right here. Oh, them bitch hard. Like the back of this bitch gonna get so hard.
It's gonna look like it's gonna like before it looked friendly.
What the fuck?
Now it look evil from the back.
Fat ass dog. It's gonna look menacing in the back. Wait till this. The back gotta be clean though. Like, gotta be real clean. Why your shit so dusty in the back? Then wasn't this bitch just washed? Or am I tripping?
Bro, that's how black is. It be clean for about
But that's
an hour.
that's what living out here, bro. It be dusty as hell.
Man, all that construction.
All that
on the way
construction
home.
and shit. Hell yeah.
No, my car been dirty for a minute now though.
What did y'all do on Woolworth yesterday? Or did y'all go to Woolworth? Yeah, y'all did.
I was at work.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Tight. Oh shit.
They got that little paper on both sides.
Oh.
So it's supposed to be like this and shit.
Is this the same one you had on the 5.7?
Yeah. So put it up there. And this time I got the little one suit.
You gotta get a front splitter.
Can you help me put it up there? So hold it up there so I can mark it up. Let me know when it's marked up.
Should it be touching like? Where should it be touching?
No, it shouldn't be touching the trunk.
It's not touching the trunk. It's touching the like right on the spoiler, like right there.
Alright, that's cool. Hey, Bray. The fist though.
What the fuck?
Never helpful on shit. Braylon, I need your help.
Bro, we fresh. It's freshly in the morning. Everybody just waking up and shit. Well, no, actually, I've been up for a minute. Yeah, I've been up for
Got real duties and shit.
Hey, can you grab this pen and mark the
Bruh.
Yeah. Where?
Here. Make sure this
Nigga, you do it. I'll
Here.
just hold it.
Alright, bet. I don't want it touching the trunk though. It's touching the trunk right now. It's good, like right there.
These ones ain't. I see.
You gotta hold it like it gotta bend a little bit.
Like mine's.
Yeah. Push your side up a little bit, bro. Like that. Yeah. All right. Let me put it back and make sure it's still.
This one hot too though. It's supposed to be like that.
I don't see shit. Oh, there it is.
You gotta bend it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Oh, you just not recording? This nigga's a fucking idiot.
You can say whatever. You could just cut it out. Nigga, it don't matter.
I'm putting the first hole in my car, man. This is a sad moment, man.
This nigga swears it's a sad moment.
That make sure it's perfectly in the middle.
Damn, that's a big ass hole.
Man, I don't know what the fuck
I'm drilling on both sides and shit.
Alright. So I got the first hole in there. Let's get this bitch in there. Damn, it's still tight as shit. I gotta
loosen it up.
loosen it up a little bit. Oh.
Bruh.
Damn.
Damn. Ooh, that bitch loose.
Man, loosey.
Might as well let this nigga know if y'all got a 300 wing, because he definitely gonna need it.
It's gonna fly off. Fall in traffic.
What I was gonna say? Where your tools at? I need to take the thing and tighten it. That's how you do it.
My whole toolbox still in jail.
This nigga all ass out.
Man, start recording my ass. Tool for it now. So as you see, you screw the rib nut in there. You stick it in there, and then go down on it. Make sure it's clamped in there. All right, we good now. So we can go ahead and unscrew it. Pull it, make sure it's good. You see how much faster it is to try to fuck with them little ones one by one?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright, so now we drill the little one. Try not to make it so loose this time. Loosen it up a little bit.
Fresh leg. So sticky, man.
It's so cold. We all out here just sniffling. It's all sniffling the camera and shit. Who you moving to?
I'm moving to Florida. I want to move to Florida, man.
I'm moving to Atlanta. No, I'm not moving to Atlanta. I heard they be on all bullshit.
They scared of us down there.
Where? In Atlanta?
Really everywhere. They think Detroit just really some crazy shit.
It is, though.
Not really. I'm probably just used to it, though. I'm used to the madness.
You used to the madness?
You know what
Feel you, though.
I mean? So I know how to move out here. If you don't know how to move right out here, you gonna get popped up.
I know how to move out here. It's just I don't want to know. I don't want to need to have to move out here. You feel me? I want to be able to go to my crib like I do every day and kick my feet up. But in there got that bitch. Look at that shit. That bitch hard.
She's getting hurt as hell.
All his neighbors been doing that, bro. Like, what the fuck? Just go home.
It's because they hate us over here, bro.
What do y'all be doing to y'all neighbors, bro?
Bro, we don't they be telling everybody in the neighborhood we sell drugs because so many cars be in and out our driveway.
Sell drugs is crazy. Far from it, baby. Far from it, baby. You YouTubers. That's that YouTube money. You feel me though? Young niggas in fast whips. That's DPD for you. They young as hell working for the police and they mad as fuck.
That shit crazy, bro.
Imagine being young.
You know what's crazy about it? They drive these cars they self.
Imagine being young as fuck hating on another young nigga because you don't live a lifestyle and you a police officer. That don't do nothing but harass your own kind all day, and you feel good about it. I would hate other niggas too, cause they get to just live in peace. But no, it's a lot of cops out here that drive fast shit for sure. Like, it's not like they broke a sale, they make it pay. Some niggas down there just know how to, you feel me, invest and use their money. That's all it is. But for the cops out here driving fast shit, man, tap in, man. Let's do some videos. Tap in with Colin.
You sound dumb.
He told dog, tap in over here.
Except for shit over here.
Just the finish of it, hold on.
Finish that bit.
God damn. God damn. Yeah, that bitch looking crazy though, I ain't gonna lie.